Ko silikali kwisila muvyani wa kisomo eminite ukuisya muthenya wa kuvingua kwa masukulu ngina matuku 6 vena vata wa muvya wa kisomo na tongo yu onthe silikali ni kutwaisya unenania waundu andu ala makunikite ni mbua na makathamiwa masukulu ni meuthamiwa kundu kungi kwa kwikala. Uni kwenana na munini wa gavana kauntini ya Masako Francis Mwangangi ula waelesya ona kutwika vena vata wa masukulu kuvingua andu ala me masukulu ni mailito thamiwa kambi ingi sya kuthamia. Mwangangi anena sivitali ni wa Athi River level 4 ivindanyila wakusia kunenganwe kwa miyo ya uiti ni kundi mwenyete ya kisilikali. Daniel Mongela ena mauvombe yange.
Munini wa gavana nene ava sivitali ni wa Athi River level 4 ivindanyila wakusia kunenganwe kwa miyo ya uiti kuma ikwatanio ni mwete ya kisilikali. Ni waelesya kuumuvea wa kisomo uvaniyo kuvingwa skulu chuma ni tuendete vyona vata wakwamba utwaisya unenania na kumana undu andu alama na thamiwe kuma misini ona matu wa maskulu ni meuthamiwa kundu kungi mekale vindane mbwa yende na ukusiwa.
I know currently we have some of the displaced persons who are occupying our schools. The district security committees and our leaders will have to sit and maybe deliberate where do we take such populations in case schools are opening next week as the government has announced. Some people are debating that is not enough, but it is also dangerous to continue having our youths at home. They would rather be in school than being somewhere where we are not sure of their lives, because most of the parents getting up in the morning to go and look for something to feed themselves and the family. So in this case, I think we should not even move the dates of opening from next week, but we need to sit down together and get an alternative. The head of state has already sat with the cabinet and given directives. At least the public institutions, if they have extra land, we can move those people to such areas so that our schools can open.
Onuwe voni waendea na uthingi la vata wa enende kwisuvia vindane ya mbua nilisekana vaina vata enende kwe ya mwisho na kwasya mathayo.
Flooding, jamani, Mungu ametupa mvua. Mvua ipo. We continue and we assist each other. Please, we would rather remain with you as a person and with your family than to start organizing for your funeral. Please urge our population, those who are in areas where anything can happen as far as flooding is concerned, to move to higher grounds.
Daniel Mongela, Mutungwe TV, kuma hospitali ni wa Athi River level 4 Mavuko kauntini ya Masako.